Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open your PC and act now. Enable Game Bar in Settings Gaming if needed because that registers shortcuts. You should plug your headset or mic and set it as the default so audio records cleanly. Next, press Win plus G to open the Xbox Game Bar overlay. This is the control hub. Once the overlay appears, pin the widgets you need, capture, audio, and performance so they stay visible. Doing these steps first prevents delays when you start recording gameplay. Now configure capture. Open the capture widget and choose whether to record the active window or the full screen. This decides what viewers see. Make sure you toggle record mic if commentary is needed and consider enabling background recording for instant clips. Then set resolution and frame rate in the game bar settings to balance file size and quality. Higher FPS gives smoother motion but larger files. When ready, press Win plus Alt plus R to start recording. To finish, press Win plus Alt plus R again to stop recording. The clip is saved automatically to video's /captures so you can edit or upload. Once saved, trim unwanted sections in the Game Bar gallery or the Photos app and export the final clip. When sharing, choose bitrate and format that match your platform. If recordings lack audio, check microphone privacy settings and ensure your default recording device is selected. This common fix resolves most missing audio issues, so make sure to verify it before blaming hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.